Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix 502 bad gateway in Roblox. This issue is usually caused by browser cache problems, outdated browser version, or network configuration error. First, open your web browser and just click on the three dot at the top right, and from here go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and click on Delete Browsing Data, and make sure all of them are selected just like so, and just click on Delete Data. Next, update your browser. Now in the Settings section you will see about Chrome, so just click on it, and you will see it has successfully started. Checking for updates, and you will see now my Chrome is updating, and you can do the same for Edge or Brave also. After completing these steps, just close your browser completely and reopen it. If the issue continues, just go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. And just right-click on the command prompt and choose to run as administrator. And now in the command prompt, just type the following command. Just type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. After that, just go ahead and type netch winsock reset and hit enter. Once done, just go ahead and restart your computer. After restarting, just open your browser and try Roblox once again. The 502 bad gateway error should now be fixed. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Roblox 502 bad gateway error by clearing browser data, updating the browser, and resetting network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.